Then just select the image and swap. As easy as that.
Hi guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to create consistent characters using Microsoft Copilot. In this video, I will be walking you through the entire process from generating your initial character design to bringing your characters to life with animations. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
To get started, first you need to go straight to your Google search and type Microsoft Copilot. Click on it and sign in. If you're a first timer, it will take you to an interface like this. Okay guys, now what does this AI website does? This AI website works exactly same way with your ChatGPT. You can use it to generate story for your African folktale stories. You can use it to generate images for your African folktale stories. You can use it to generate a video idea for YouTube. You can ask anything. You can use it to even write an essay or whatever. You can, in fact, there are a lot of features that this AI website does. With that said, guys, now we're just going to start proper. But before we dive right in, guys, truth be said here, most of the AI website, no matter the good prompt you type in, don't have the ability to generate the exact 100% resemblance in the character consistencies. So, guys, you have to bear this in mind. First, in generating consistent character for your African folktale stories, I'll be showing you the trick you need to apply in order to get, if not 100% resemblance in each of the images, but at least 90 to 80% of resemblance, so that your image don't look so different from each other. Getting started, first we will need to create a prompt. Here are some examples of the prompts that I already typed before and some images that I got as a result. For instance, this very particular one here, I wrote something like this: generate a consistent, realistic photo of a beautiful African girl, 28 years, light in skin complexion, with a weaved backward African hairstyle, packed with African local beats, dressed in an Igbo traditional attire, the particular red cloth fabric design with a lion head, bending down to a sweep outside the village compound with African local broom with a beautiful smile. Now see guys, if you want to get a consistent image or characters for this very particular prompt here now, the only thing you need to change here is the action, not the description anymore. From here now, a beautiful African girl, 28 years, light in complexion, weaved backward head. All these are part of the description already. So if you want to get a consistent character, you don't need to touch this part anymore. Only what you need to touch is the action. What's the action in this very particular prompt now? The action here is bending down to sweep outside the village compound. In the next scene, using the same prompt, you can change this bending down to sweep to maybe cooking outside the village hut, or you can change it to carrying a basket of fish, you know, on our way from the stream, or selling stuff, but let the description remain the same. That is what I am trying to say. Let the description remain the same. Because immediately you change the description, you cannot get that consistency in the characters anymore. Now see, bending down to sweep, as you can see here, with the same prompt. Now look at it. You have to be descriptive. If you don't describe it very well, the AI will not understand you. They will generate images that have nothing to do with the scene for you. Can you see? Now, let's check other actions from the same prompt. Here you have her discussing with her friend, right? Guys, are you noticing anything in these images? Here you have her on her way to the stream. Here you have her at the market selling fish, right? If you observe very well, you will see that all the images are always with the same cloth. This red cloth with lion head. If you observe very well, you see that they are with this very particular cloth with lion head and always smiling. The images are smiling and they have beads around their hair and also their neck, all the images, right? Okay, now what does that tell you? This is from the prompt that you type. As I have said earlier, AI does not give you 100% resemblance if you are trying to get a consistent character. What you need to do is from the suggested 4 photos, you will now look very well, look clearly the one that looks like the previous one that you have chosen so far. For instance, if you have chosen this one for the first line of your story, for instance, let's say after you generated the first prompt, then from these 4 images that was suggested for you, let's assume you choose this particular girl now. This girl, look at the face very well. Let's assume you choose this very particular girl. Okay, now let's go to the next action here. The next prompt with this with different action here. Look very well the girl that looks like that first girl that you choose. If you look very well, this one do not look so much like the girl. This one looks a little bit like the girl. This one, no resemblance. But this one, yes. If you look at the dress she's putting on here, is with a lion head. So if you are to choose for your next scene, if you choose this image, it's not bad. Or if you choose this very particular one here, it's not bad. Okay, now let's look at the third images that was generated with different action. Now look at this one. Among these ones now, they get selling fish in the market with the same prompts, because now we have agreed that they are all wearing the same red shirt with a lion head. Fine, that red fabric with a lion head, we have agreed on that, right? Now you have to look all the images generated, you have to look for the one that has resemblance with the first one that you have chosen. If you look very well, it is this very particular girl here that has resemblance with the one that we have chosen before. So you pick one from it. This is how you get your consistent character. Knowing fully well that most of these AI websites find it difficult or almost impossible to generate that consistent character with the exact look or resemblance. Now, here is a top secret that I want to share with you. Go straight to your Google and type face swap AI. Now, there are different face swap AI you can use to do this job. If you want your images to look the same in different sim with the exact previous look of the first photo, what you need to do is to take note of the first photo. If possible, download and save it in a separate file. Then, from the remaining images that you will be getting from your copilot, what you need to do is to use that face sample of that first already generated images and come to this AI website called VidNotes. VidNotes, this particular one here, though there are different AI websites that you can use to swap faces. I think this one is one among my preferred AI face swap website. So just come to this place here. What you need to do, just sign in. After signing in, upload the first image, which is the first one that you have saved in a different file, the one that you want the whole of the image to look like. Then just select the image. Now I'm swapping the face of this girl here, bend it down, sweeping. As you can see, this one is more lighter in complexion than this very particular one carrying a firewood with bicycle. So let's assume I want her face to be like this very one. I want to use it for all my different scene. The face has been swapped to this very particular girl here in this image here. Can you notice any different, guys? As simple as this. And then you can now use this image for different scene. You understand? Whatever image you are using for different scene and you find out that Copilot cannot give you the exact look, just do this style and free yourself the stress. As simple as this, guys. It's not only for photo swap you can do, guys. It's also possible to do video swap. As you can see here, multiple face swap. As in, this AI website is one of my preferred among them for swapping of images and video and all of that. Okay, guys, with that be done already, now let me show you how you can animate your images, bring your images to life, how you can make those images to lip sync talk and also add some motions so that it will look so real like Nollywood movie. I'm sure you like that, right? So for doing all this job, I just want us to use Runware to do this job. You can also use Pika AI, and there are other different AI websites that you can use. But in this video tutorial, I just want us to use Runware. Now just head straight to your Google and type this particular name here on your Google search. Click on it and sign in a few steps. If it's your first time, you will see an interface like this. Now, this AI website does amazing jobs. You can use it to lip sync. You can use it to turn your images into a video. In fact, you can train your AI here. There are a lot of things this AI website does, a lot. But then, let's just focus on our main reason why we are here. Turning your images to video, what you need to do after signing in is to click on this try Gen 2. We are using Gen 2. We are not lip syncing yet. We are using Gen 2. You click on this Gen 2 here. And then here you have to drag and drop the image you want to animate. Upload it here. Click on it, it will take you to your file. Let's assume we are animating this image here. Okay, now this AI website gives you free credits if you are new to it, but after you might have exhausted, you'll be asked to upgrade for a pro. As you can see, guys, if you want to animate this image now for 4 seconds, you can just click on it here, 4 seconds. But if you want it more than 4 seconds, you can double click also. It will give you option for 8 seconds. Let's just click on generate and see the actions. Wait a few seconds to see the results. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how you add motions to your video to bring your video to life. Now, let me show you how you lip sync. You can lip sync with a photo or also with a video. Now let me take you there and show you how you can do that. Let's just download this video first, just in case we'll be needing it later. I don't know. In order to lip sync, you want your images to talk, your African folktale story to be real, like a cinema, like a Nigerian movie cinema, Nollywood. This is what you do. Click on this lip sync. Now you come here, you type whatever prompt you want your image to say. For instance, let's type something like upload the image or video. Let's first of all deal with image before I will show you how to do that with video. Now let's assume this is your image or the character you want to say something. Now from here you have to choose a voice. There are different voices here. You can play each one of them to listen to them.
Hey there, Maggie here. I appreciate you coming all this way to see me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready to head off on an amazing...
Hi there, I absolutely love telling stories.
Okay, let's assume we are using Katia. Okay. Let's assume we are using this Katia. Okay. Now click on generate. If you are new here, guys, firstly they'll be giving you 527 credits. And then until you exhaust it, you will not be asked to pay a dime. So now let's click on generate and see the results. Okay guys, now our video is ready. Now let's see the outcome of the results. Okay.
Hi my amazing viewers, thanks for watching this video tutorial to this extent. Please, if getting value from this video so far, please subscribe.
Now let's get that video that we already downloaded before. Let's get it here and let's see the results. Let's click on generate and see the outcome.
Hi my amazing viewers, thanks for watching this video tutorial. To this extent, please, if getting value from this video so far, please subscribe.
Wow, guys. Here is how you bring your African folktale stories to life. Guys, this is amazing. Now I have showed you how you can turn your African folktale story to real Nollywood movie. Guys, if you have watched this video to this extent, I want to believe that you are gaining value for this video. Guys, please don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button. Don't hesitate to put thumbs up in this video so that YouTube can recommend it for other viewers. And guys, please don't forget to share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you on my next video. Shalom. Bye bye.